Welcome to Khetz tutorials, and in this video I'll be covering question 7 from 1.1 exercises in James Stewart calculus. So this question is asking whether this graph is a function. So for a graph to be a function, each x value has to have only one y value. In this case, if we look at this x value, for example, at -1, it corresponds to that y value as well as that y value. So it fails the test. This test is called the vertical line test. So if you were to put vertical lines, or if you were to trace these vertical lines, or any of your vertical lines, are only supposed to cross your graph once for it to be a function. So this one fails because for some of the x values, there are more than one y value which corresponds to that x value which we choose. So the answer to this question is no, this is not a function. And the reason could be that it fails the vertical line test.